Pretty girls walk like this, 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 this.
A wigglebutt is a fast, side-to-side shake of the hips, often involving the whole back end, not just the tail. Usually dogs, ferrets, big cats, yes, even lions does this. A wigglebutt is pure positive excitement. It happens when emotion overwhelms muscle control in the best possible way. It signals joy, anticipation, playfulness, and social excitement. In dog language, it means, I am very happy to see you. Dogs with short or docked tails, like boxers, Australian shepherds, or corgis, often wiggle their entire rear because the tail can't express all the excitement and the energy spills into the hips. The result? Full body happiness. In big cats, a similar hip wiggle appears before pounce. While it looks playful to us, it's actually a muscle-engaging motion, a focus and balance adjustment, and a sign of imminent action. Same motion, very different goal.